2017 Suzuki Boulevard M1800R BOS Suzuki climb aboard a true classic metric cruiser. The 2017 Suzuki Boulevard M1800R BOSS comes equipped with a powerful 1,783cc liquid-cooled engine that sounds as good as it feels, shaft-driven with a 5-speed transmission. The Boulevard M1800R BOSS has plenty of get-up-and-go for whatever situation you may find yourself. 2017 Suzuki Boulevard M1800R BOSS pictures, prices, information, and specifications. Below is the information on the 2017 with capabilities born of Suzuki's performance DNA heritage. The 2016 M1800R Boss Edition is a power cruiser using some of the largest pistons in the industry, a bike that will get your adrenaline flowing whenever you ride. Featuring aggressive blacked-out styling, it delivers awesome performance and massive amounts of torque from idle to redline, that's complemented by smooth performance on the highway and precise, agile handling provided by its rigid chassis and inverted forks.